Stanton. From late tonight to Thursday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 5.8 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage after midnight tonight, and continue to rise to near 8.8 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 8.0 feet. Right bank and approach to bridge flooded. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service.